Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious salmon cakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 12 ounces of cooked salmon, 1 large egg, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. For that amazing flavor, grab some mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, fresh dill, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Don't forget a couple of tablespoons of olive oil for cooking. These ingredients come together quickly for a fantastic meal. Now let's get everything mixed. Take your cooked salmon and flake it into a bowl. Add in your 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, and 1 teaspoon of bright lemon juice. Mix everything gently until it's just combined. We want to keep those salmon flakes intact for the best texture. With your mixture ready, it's time to form the cakes. Divide the mixture into 8 equal portions. Gently shape each portion into a patty, about 1 inch thick. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once hot, carefully place your salmon cakes in the pan. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're beautifully golden brown and heated through. They'll smell amazing. Your delicious salmon cakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm right away for the freshest flavor. A little extra fresh dill or a bright lemon wedge makes a lovely garnish. They pair wonderfully with a crisp green salad or your favorite creamy dipping sauce. These versatile cakes are also fantastic cold, making them perfect for a quick lunch or meal prep throughout the week. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.